This morning I was actually able to do something quite impressive. I was able to successfully stop a sneeze. I've never done that before. I wouldn't recommend it either. You should just let your body finish its flow. Don't stop your sneeze, because it could have dire consequences. And I know I did this at home without any supervision, and it was quite unwise of me looking back. I shouldn't have stopped my sneeze. But it was the first time I did it, and I have to celebrate that. I think I'm gonna celebrate that with a good smoothie.